One click, that's all that separates you from erasing an entire digital world you've built. Picture it, a community of thousands, maybe tens of thousands of subscribers. Years of content you've curated. Every message, every photo, every file. All of it just gone. Not just for you, but for everyone. Forever. This isn't a scare tactic, it's the reality of deleting a Telegram channel. The weight of that decision is huge, but the process is so simple, it's terrifyingly easy to make a mistake you can never take back. It's a digital button with the power of a real-life wrecking ball. You've poured your time, energy, and maybe even money into this thing. It was your soapbox, your gallery, your community hub. But for whatever reason, it's time to shut it down. Maybe the project ran its course, you're changing your brand, or you just need to start fresh. The fear is real. One wrong tap and you might just delete the channel for yourself, leaving a ghost town for your subscribers. Or worse, you could obliterate everything when you only meant to do a little spring cleaning. This isn't just about finding the delete button. It's about knowing the two totally different paths you can take. One is total annihilation, nuking the channel from orbit, leaving no trace behind. The other is more of a strategic reset, wiping the slate clean while keeping your hard-earned community right where they are. The choice you make is permanent. In this guide, we're going to walk through both options step by step so you know exactly what you're doing and why. We'll turn that fear into the confidence of a well-informed decision. This is the point of no return. When we say permanently delete, we mean it. This action wipes the channel, all of its content, and every last subscriber from Telegram servers. Once you pull this trigger, the channel doesn't just vanish from your chat list, it ceases to exist for everyone, everywhere. If your channel was public, that custom link is gone for good. You can't get it back and no one else can claim it. If it were private, all your invite links become useless instantly. So who gets to wield this much power? This is a privilege reserved exclusively for the channel owner. An admin, no matter how many permissions they have, cannot delete the entire channel. They can delete messages or kick out members one by one, but only the original creator can hit the big red button. It's a critical security measure that stops a rogue admin from torpedoing your entire community. Ownership is the master key, and you can't just hand it over. Your only safety net is a tiny 5-second window right after you confirm the deletion. For those 5 seconds, an undo button will pop up at the bottom of your screen. If you hesitate and miss it, it's over. There's no support ticket to file, no secret menu to find. The data is gone, and recovery is not an option. So how do you do it? Since most of us manage channels from our phones, let's start there. The process is pretty much identical on both platforms, designed for quick and permanent action. Open Telegram and go to your channel. Fire up the app and tap on the channel you're ready to delete. Access channel settings. Tap the banner at the top with your channel's name and picture. This takes you to its main info page. Look for the settings option to get to the channel's management settings. Find the deletion option. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You can't miss the stark option, delete channel. This is it. Make the critical choice, top delete channel, and a pop-up will appear. This is the most important step. You'll see a checkbox that says delete for all subscribers. Hit the final delete channel button. The 5-second undo option will appear immediately. This is your last chance to back out. After that, your channel, its content, and its community are history. On the desktop app, the process is just as final but feels a bit more deliberate. Open the channel, launch Telegram Desktop, and click on the channel you want to delete from your chat list. Access channel information, click the channel's name at the top to open the info panel on the right. Access management options, locate the deletion function. In the Manage Channel screen, scroll all the way to the bottom. You can't miss the stark option, Delete Channel. This is it. Confirm the deletion. Just like on mobile, a pop-up will appear to confirm you want to delete the channel for all subscribers. Agree to it and click the final delete button. That same 5-second undo rule applies here too. Think of it like demolishing a building. It's fast, it's total, but you'd better be absolutely sure you want the empty lot that's left behind. So what if you don't want to burn it all down? What if you love your community, but the content is just old, irrelevant, or you're pivoting and want a clean slate without losing all your subscribers? This is where the second path comes in, clearing out the channel's content. This move is like hitting a giant reset button on your content. It can delete every message, photo, and file you've ever posted, but, and this is the key difference, it leaves the channel itself completely intact. Your subscribers stay, your channel name and link are safe, and you're free to start posting again in a fresh, clean space. But here's the catch you need to know. Unlike the nuclear option, this power isn't just for the owner. An admin can also do this, as long as the owner has given them permission to delete messages. This makes it a great tool for moderation, but also a good reason to be careful with who you give admin rights to. Here's how to wipe the slate clean. Enter your channel, open Telegram and go to the channel you want to reset. Tap on the top of the channel name. Now you're in the administration zone. Tap on the three dots menu. Now select Clear Messages. A pop-up will ask if you want to delete the selected messages. Tap on Delete for everyone. Hit Delete. Just like with other major actions, Telegram gives you a 5-second undo window. If you have second thoughts, be quick. After that, the selected content is gone for good, but your channel and its audience are ready for their next chapter. What about deleting just a few messages? Maybe a full wipe is too much. If you just need to prune a few old or off-brand posts, the process is even simpler. On mobile, just tap and hold a message, select Delete, and then choose Delete for everyone. On desktop, right-click the message, choose Delete, and confirm you want it gone for everyone. This surgical approach lets you curate your history without resorting to a complete reset, giving you a great middle ground. If this guide helped you figure out the difference between deleting and clearing a channel, go ahead and give this video a like. It really helps us reach more people who might be stuck on this same tough decision. And if you're into mastering the digital tools that shape our lives, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. We're always breaking down how to make these platforms work for you, not against you. At the end of the day, the power to create and destroy is in your hands as the channel owner. Deciding to delete a Telegram channel is a big deal. It marks the end of a community and a library of content. It's an irreversible step that you should only take when you're absolutely sure its time is up. But destruction isn't your only option. Clearing out your channel's content offers a powerful alternative, a chance for renewal. It respects the community you worked hard to build by keeping them around, while giving you the freedom to start fresh. It's a strategic choice that embraces change without demanding you erase everything. Whether you go for the final ending or a fresh start, the most important thing is to act with intention. Know the tools you have, respect the power they carry, and make the choice that's right for you and your community. Managing your digital world isn't just about what you build. It's also about knowing how, when, and why to tear it down or build it back up again.